Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Today I am going to explain Unit 4 Reuse, Reduce, Recycle. Activity 1 Buddha's disciple gets a new robe. Once a disciple of Buddha asked him if he could get a new robe. After Buddha made sure that the old robe could not be used any longer, he allowed the disciple to get a new one. So here in the story, disciple means students. One of the student of Buddha, he asked for the new robe that is we are using for the as a cloth to save from the cold. So after checking by Buddha, he has seen that yes, that is really very of no use. So he allowed disciple to get a new one. A few days later, Buddha asked the disciple if he was happy with his new robe. So after a few days, Buddha asked to the disciple that now he is happy with new or not. Disciple says, "Yes, master, I am very happy." So disciple says, "Yes, I am very happy." Buddha says, "Tell me, though, now that you have a new robe, what did you do with your old robe?" So now Buddha asked him that what you have done with the old one, as you are having now new one. Disciple says, "Master, I am still using it. I am using it as my new bedspread." So disciple answered to the Buddha, "Master, he is using now also as a bedspread." Buddha says, "Then what did you do with your old bedspread?" Buddha asks another question that now what you are doing with the old bedspread? Disciple says, "Master, I am using my old bedspread as my new window curtain." So disciple is using as a new window curtain that old one bedspread. Buddha, what about your old curtain? Disciple says, "We are using it to handle hot utensils in the kitchen." So Buddha asks that what about your old curtain? What do you do with that? So disciple answered that for holding the hot utensils in the kitchen, they are using. Buddha, oh, what a good idea. But can you tell me what did they do with the old clothes they used in the kitchen? So whatever old cloth was there in the kitchen, they were using. What about that? Buddha asked. And whatever work he is doing, that is really good idea to use again and again the old one. Disciple says we are using it to mop the floor. So for mopping the floor, they are using it. Buddha says, then what have they done with the old rag being used to mop the floor? So which one you have used before for mopping the floor? What about that old rag? Disciple says, Master, they were very torn. The old rags were only small strips of cloth. So disciple says that they were very torn and it is become just small strips. Buddha says, ah, so they are waste. Then so Buddha says, means it is waste now, means no with of no use. Disciple says, no, master. The old rags are now the new wicks in the lamps. So it become very small strips. So they are used as a new wick in the lamp. Buddha smiled and went away satisfied. So now Buddha become happy. Now look at here, small they are using as a new wick. What is the wick? Now look at in the lamp here. For firing this lamp, they are using here wick. That is the wick. Now activity 6, I am going to explain. 2, 3, 4, 5, you have to write down. Activity 6, working on the trace. We have been working on recycling all the trays we can. We have been working on recycling. It's a very simple plan. Means To work on a recycling, it is very simple plan, and we have to work on recycling. Separate your glass and paper, separate plastic from tin. Take the trash that you have recycled to your recycling bin. So you can separate the things and you can send it as a for a recycle. We have been working on reducing all the trace we can. We have been working on reducing. It's a very simple plan. So reducing also very simple work and we have to do on that also. Don't go wasting any products. Use exactly what you need. Don't buy anything in extra wrapping. Reduce and you will succeed. So no need to waste any product. How much you want, that only you use, and don't buy other extra things in a extra wrapping. Means for the example, if we are going to purchase something, uh, 3 4 items we are purchasing, and for every time we want any carry bag, that is meaningless. So extra wrapping no need to ask. So that is reduce and you will be succeed. So now next, we have been working on reusing all the trash we can. We have been working on reusing. It's a very simple plan. So reusing also very simple plan if you want to do, and we have to do also. If it's a paper bag you are using, don't use it once but twice. Means if you are using paper bag, don't use one time and you will throw it out. No, you use twice or many times. Give old clothes and toys to someone to reuse them. That would be nice. So old clothes and toys, if you are not using it, if you don't want to use that, don't throw it away. Just give it to someone so they can reuse them, and that will be nice. Now activity 7 and 8 you tried down, and now 9, bags to building. Did you know that some people are making new buildings with recycled trash? So recycled means which things we are throwing. By using that, one new building we can make. Do you know that? One architect from America has helped people in Haiti build new homes called earthships from the tires, bottles, and other trash that were left after a hurricane destroyed many homes. So one of the architect from America, he helped the people to build new homes in Haiti, that is called earthships. How, by which thing they are using? The tires, bottles, and other trash which were left after a hurricane. In hurricane destroyed many homes. What is hurricane? A strong wind came and destroyed everything. Using recycled material in building is becoming popular in many places. A school in Pune, Maharashtra, India is built almost entirely from recycled materials. So, using recycled material in the buildings, they can become very popular in many places. And one of the school in India, state of Maharashtra, in city Pune, they are having one school which built almost entirely from recycled material. The school named Aman Setu Primary School was built with walls made of plastic bottles, cow dung, bamboo, and straw. So that Pune city's school name is here given Aman Setu Primary School. In that building was made of this material. All the classrooms were built using the earthquake technique. This is a way of building by filling sacks with a mix of the earth and waste products, sealing them and then stacking them. They are then tied with wire and plaster over. So this is the method they are using the recycling material and using making walls. The children at Aman Setu play in open spaces and learn about nature. For playing also they are using open space and they are learning nature also. They help take care of animals and grow more some of the food they eat. So they learning also to help the animals how to take care, and they are growing some of the foods they are eating. Even their uniforms are colored with vegetable dyes, not chemical dye, means not chemical colors they are using. They are using vegetable dyes. And when they need extra space, they have a class in the shell of an old bus. Means if they want extra space, they are using old bus as a classroom. Conserving energy happens even before school starts. Everyone comes to school in a school bus to reduce the energy needed to get to school. So they are conserving also energy. At Aman Setu, everything is reduced, reused, or recycled. Means in this place is there where we can find out reduce, reuse, and recycle everything. Activity 10, you have to write down in your notebook. Thank you.